You thought I forgot about you. Day number 9, 30-day crypto.com challenge. You know what time it is. Let's do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Crypto.com is down 4.94%. But look at this. Crypto.com at a city near you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Now, this is where it gets really interesting. We in day number 9, and we see the market down for the second straight day. We have the captain spreadsheet here, and we did $75.02 yesterday. And I did a comparison in terms of the fees. If I bought it on Coinbase.com, by the way, click on the link below, get access to Coinbase.com or Coinbase Pro. If I preview this, it's giving me the fees of $7.67 for a $200 purchase. But when I go to Coinbase Pro, it's giving me a $1 fee purchase. So you do the math, which one you would want to do. I prefer both of these, but if I'm looking to save on the fees, I gotta go with the Coinbase Pro. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is get it on Coinbase Pro for this second straight day. Now, how you do this, you go to pro.coinbase.com, click on the link in the description. It'll get you right to this page as well. What I did was I clicked on CRO because I'm looking for crypto.com. I click right there, and then I put a deposit already of $200. How you do that? Click on deposit, and I did it right on my USD. Click on USD. I added it on my bank account. You can wire transfer in Coinbase.com if you have funds on there already, because you can transfer your funds from Coinbase.com to Coinbase Pro. That's how I got to $200. So I'm going to go ahead and place an order for $200 worth of tokens of crypto.com. So that'll be 278. So I'll go ahead and put it in here already. 278. That's how much it's going to be. And the fee is only $1. That's crazy. $1? Wow. $1. And let me go back to Coinbase Pro. Click on place buy order and success. Then I'm going to go to click on orders, and my orders should show up here when it comes to filled. So the filled orders is right here. So that just got through doing. So this is the order we just did. We'll click on there, and it kind of, it breaks it down. Fees is actually $99.50. Wow. So the fee is technically this. Technically that, which is rounded off to $1, which basically what it did. And so we're looking at price is 71.43. So we'll do this 0.7143. And let me go ahead and format this like so. So 71, basically 71 cents. And amount we paid here. So let's take a look at that as we look here. So the amount we paid would be right over, what is the amount that we paid at? So that's $200. The fee is this. So we paid $199, but I don't see that anywhere. Where is that? Just make, let me see here. So I think I saw it here. There it is, right there. So $198, I have to go look at that balance. $198.36. Very interesting. $198.36. I went under portfolio to try to get the right ones. Is that right? $198.41. I think it keeps going up and everything. I see what's happening. Very interesting. $198.50. I think it's more than that. Let me see. There it is. Because I started out 202. So let me go here. So I need to go 2 cents. There we go. So that's close enough. And let me go down here and change this to number 9 because I got this in the formula. So it's the 9-day. And the price, let me change the date here as well. Let me change the price as well. The average 30-day buying challenge price is 77 cents. That's not bad from basically where I feel like it's going to go. Ooh, man, that's unbelievable. Now, right now, you're probably sitting there thinking, oh, the profit is under $100. So it's minus the profit. So I'll just put it in the red because we're technically in the red. We're minus $90.90. We just crossed over 2,000 Crypto.com tokens. Is that correct? Wow. Is that right? Yes, it is. That is right, because 278. You know, our goal, man, we already passed our goal. Man, when I first started this, I was like, man, 2,000 tokens. I think we can probably do about, close to 4,000 here. Wow. Very cool. 2,000. See, this is why it's good to be consistent each and every single day, because then you get a chance to look exactly what you are. And then the fact that our fees is $35.36. We've been moving to the Coinbase Pro. So I'll just type in Coinbase Pro. So I've been using that lately. Let me go format this. And I used it yesterday as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and make that nice and neat. Nice and neat. So, and these 7 here have been Coinbase. And so if you look at this, we total pay $1535.84. So more of my actually amount is going towards the actually asset itself, which is really good here. So thank you for letting me know about Coinbase Pro. Fees are cheaper than Coinbase.com. And here's another thing what I can do. Here's another thing, guys. So this is what I did as well. If I go to portfolio, which I'm already at, if I click on here, I can actually withdraw this, right? I can move over this over to Coinbase.com. So if I click on here, I can do maximal, and I can move all this over to Coinbase.com. I can. So that's actually pretty cool. I can move over that over there. That's not bad at all. So, but I can move that over there once everything gets approved. I don't think it has been approved yet. Let's see here. No. So, but yeah, I can move all that over there. But I'll probably do that probably tomorrow when everything gets approved, or the next day after that. But we're in the book here. We've got over 2,000 tokens. Congratulations. I'm feeling good about this. It's down 4.77%, but I'm feeling really good about the future, because when I see things like this, fortune favors the brave. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Day number 9 in the book on November 29, 2021. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe to the channel. I'll be back tomorrow, day number 10, on another challenge. Let's keep this up, and I'll see you on the next video.